Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to update Google Chrome in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, IMP thing is make sure your internet is on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Make sure your internet is on. After that, go to the Google Chrome. Click on the Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome in your Windows 10. Your Google Chrome is open. Now here we find three dots. Click on this three dot. In here we find help. Go to the help. In help we find about Google Chrome. Click on the about Google Chrome. Now it checks any update is available on your Google Chrome or not. If it's search for any latest update, then it is start automatically updating that update, and it's take few seconds. It's update to the 100%, and after that it's asked you to the relaunch, and then your latest version is appear on your Google Chrome. So wait for a few seconds. After relaunch, we find Chrome is up to date. Our Google Chrome is updated to the latest version in the Google Chrome. So guys, this is the simplest way to update Google Chrome in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.